Hello students, today we are going to do some more problems of numerically greatest term of our topic binomial theorem. So the next question is find the numerically greatest term or terms in the expansion of 4a minus 6b whole power 13 when a equal 3, b equal to 5. So listen, this is given expansion. Let us see the solution. This is given expansion 4a minus 6b whole power 13, 4a get common. So what will come here? 1 minus this term goes to denominator. 1 minus 6b by 4a whole power 13. Understand? Now, let us see, it can be written as 4a power 13, 1 minus 6b by 4a whole power 13. 4a power 13, this can be written as 1 plus minus 6b by 4a whole power 13. Now, this is in the form of 1 plus x whole power n. 1 is 1, x value is minus 6b by 4a, n value 13. Put here in this formula n plus 1 mod x by 1 plus mod x. Understand? N value is 13. 13 plus 1. Modulus x value minus 6b by 4a whole by 1 plus mod x modulus minus 6b by 4a. So it can be taken as 13 plus 1 is 14. Modulus, it has negative sign. So it has modulus, that's why take it positive. In denominator also this term is positive. But what is given? Given a equal to 3, b equal to 5, put here. What will come? Let us check it. 14 into 6 into 5 by 4 into a value 3 by 1 plus modulus 1 plus 6 into a 6 into b by 4 into 3. Let us check what will come here. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. What will come here in numerator? 5 2s are 10 into 14. 140 by 4 by. Okay? All by here. Let us check what will come in denominator. 4 plus 5 to the 10. 14 by 4. 4 4 get cancelled. 140 by 14. 14 tens are. What will come? 10. It is an integer. This is say m. An integer. So this given expansion has two numerically greatest terms which are then m and m plus 1, mth and m plus 1th terms, then m and m plus 1th terms. Mth nothing but m means how much? M equal 10, m plus 1, 10 plus 1 in terms means m and m plus 1th terms. M means m equal to 10th term and m plus 1 the term, m plus 1 ante 11th terms are numerically greatest terms of the expansion. Understand? Numerically terms of the expansion. 10 and 11th terms are numerically greatest terms of the expansion. Let us find the 10th term now. First of all, we are going to find 10th term. Next, we are going to find 11th term. Let us see how to find 10th term. To find the 10th term. To find 10th term. Understand? Let us see how do we find it. Whatever it may be the term, if we have to find, we use the formula of general term, that is r plus 1th term. That term is formula TR plus 1 equal to NCR x power n minus r a power r. We use this formula. Next, consider the expansion as like this. Consider that is given expansion. What is it? 4a minus 6b whole power 13. That can be written as in this form. 4a power 13 into 1 plus minus 6b by 4a whole power 13. Now we have to comparing this expansion in the this form x plus a whole power n. We have to comparing this expansion with x plus a whole power n. X equal to first term 1, a equal second term minus 6b by 4a. We have to find 10th term. T10 equal to can be written as T9 plus 1. N value is 13. 13 C R 9. X power, x means how much? 1 power n minus r. 13 minus 9. A power, a means minus. One more important thing here, all these values including with 4a power 13 NCR x power 1 power 13 minus 9. A power, a means minus 6b by 4a power 13. This is can be taken as, here what is given according to the question? A equal to 3, B equal 5, put here. A equal 3, 4 into 3, power 13. Here, 13C9, 1 power some value, neglected value. The minus power 13. See, listen, that can be taken as minus power 13. 13 an odd number. That's why the complete term should be getting negative. This can be written as 6 into B value 5, A value 3 whole power 13. Understand? It can be written as like this. Okay? Now, the next value should be, will come it as like this, 13 C, as it is like that, 13 C. Okay, this can be minus 12 power 13. Okay, 13C9. Okay, this can be taken as like this. Okay, 4 3 is a 12 power 13. Here this value should be 9. Okay, formula is NCR x power n minus r a power r. With this value 13C9 x power n minus r a power r. R means 9, odd number, it should be negative. This can be written as 6 5 is 30. 30 power 9. 4 3 is 12. 12 power 9. Understand? It can be taken as like this. Okay, this can be taken as like this. This is can be written as, okay, minus 12 power 13 can be written as 12 power 9, 12 power 4 into 13C9, 30 power 9, 12 power 9, 12 power 9, 12 power 9 get cancelled. Understand? The remaining will be the required answer as like this. Understand? It can be getting as minus 12 power 4, 13C9, 30 power 9. This is our required result of 10th term. Understand? The 10th term we can get as like this. Okay? Here, listen. We have taken the formula TR plus 1 equal to NCR x power n minus r a power r. This is the expansion, can be written as like this. 4a power 13, 1 plus minus 6b by 4a whole power 13. 4a power 13 take as it is. 13c r is 9. A power 13 minus 9 x power a power minus 6b by 4a whole power 9. So, it has negative value, but it has odd power. Take total term is negative. A given a value 3, b value 5 put here. 4 3 is 12 power 13. This is 13C9. 6 5 is 30. 4 3 is 12. 12 power 13 can be written as 12 power 9, 12 power 4. Understand? This is nothing but as like this. This is the required result. Understand? Okay? Now, let us go for another term, 11th term. Let us see how to find the 11th term of the expansion. Understand? Okay? To find the 11th term now, to find the 11th term, okay? Let us find 11th term. Again use the same formula, same expansion. T11 can be written as T10 plus 1. NCR. First of all, 4a power 13 take as it is. NCR 13C 10. X power 1 power 13 minus 10, a power minus 6b by 4a whole power 10. This can be taken as 4 into a value 3 power 13, 13c 10, a power n minus r, 13 minus 1 power some value neglected. It has minus sign, but it has even power. Take positive only. 6 into b value 5, a value 3, whole power 10. Okay, this can be written as 12 power 13. Okay, 13c 10. Okay, this is 30 by 12 power 10. Understand? We can take as like this, 12 power 10. Okay, this is can be taken as like this, 30 power 10. This can be written as, okay, for our convenience, this can be taken as, listen, this can be simplifying in this form as like this. Here it can be taken as 12 power 13 can be written as 12 power 10, 12 power 3. 13c10, 13 minus 10, 10 values get cancelled, 11, 12, 13 by, actually listen, 13c10 can be taken as 13c3 also. Since 13c10 can be written as 13c3, 13 minus 3, 10 values get cancelled, 11, 12, 13 by 1, 2, 3 into 30 power 10. Okay, 30 power 10 can be written as like this. Okay, 30 power 10 is 3 into 2 into 5 into power 10 by 12 power 10. 12 power 10 get cancelled. Okay, this can be written as, okay, this can be written as like this. Okay, 12 power 3 can be written as 4 into 3 whole power 3 into 3 2 is 6 2 is 12, 11 into 13, 143 into 2 into 3 power 10 here, 2 power 10, 5 power 10. Okay, it can be taken as 4 power 3, 3 power 3 into 143 into 2, 3 power 10, 2 power 10, 5 power 10. Okay, it can be taken as 2 square whole cube, 3 power 3, 3 power 10, 3 power 13 into 143 into 2 into, here listen one thing, 2 into 2 power 10, 2 power 11 into 5 power 10. It can be written as 143 into, okay, 2 power 6, 2 power 11, 2 power 17, 3 power 13 into 5 power 10. Understand? This can be simplified as like this, 143 into 2 power 7 into 3 power 13 into 5 power 10. This is our required result of 11th term. We can find the 11th term as like this. Understand? We have taken 11th term as like this using the formula TR plus 1 equal to NCR. 13CR is 10. Okay, 30 by 12. This is simplified, 12 power 10, 12 power 3. 13C10 can be written as 13C3 and 30 can be written as 3 into 2 into 5, 12 power 10. Okay, this is can be written as 4 3 is 12. Okay, 1 This value is 11 into 13, 143 into 2, 3 power 10, 2 power 10, 5 power 10. This is can be taken 4 power 3, 3 power 3, 143, all simplified. This is 2 square power 3. 2 powers, all 2 terms take together, all 3 power terms take together, and 5 power term. This is our required results. The remaining problems we should do in the next class.